the world is filled with mysterious and enigmatic places that have captured the imagination of people for centuries. Here are some of the most mysterious places in the world. 1. Stonehenge, England. This prehistoric monument consists of massive stone circles arranged in a way that has puzzled archaeologists and historians for generations. 2. Easter Island, Chile, known for its massive stone statues called moai. The purpose and methods of how they were transported and erected remain a mystery. 3. Great Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The construction of these ancient pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid, still baffles experts with its precision and engineering. 4. Machu Picchu, Peru. This ancient Incan city was abandoned and hidden in the Andes for centuries, and its true purpose is still debated. 5. Teotihuacan, Mexico. This ancient Mesoamerican city's original builders and the reason for its decline are still uncertain. 6. Bermuda Triangle, an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared without a trace. 7. Nazca Lines, Peru. Giant geoglyphs etched into the Nazca desert floor, whose purpose and creation method remain a subject of debate. 8. The Pyramids of Meroe, Sudan. Similar to the Egyptian pyramids, these pyramids in Sudan are surrounded by mysteries about their construction and the people who built them. 9. Area 51, Nevada, USA, a highly classified U.S. military facility, long associated with UFO and conspiracy theories. 10. The Moai of Ahu Tongariki, Easter Island, a mysterious collection of massive statues with unique features, the reason for which remains uncertain. 11. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, a massive flat-topped mountain that has inspired legends and myths for centuries. 12. The Stone Spheres of Costa Rica, giant stone spheres, believed to be carved by ancient civilizations, scattered throughout the jungles of Costa Rica. 13. The Zone of Silence, Mexico, an area known for its strange electromagnetic anomalies and radio signal interference. 14. The Devil's Tower, Wyoming, USA, a unique geological formation that has puzzled geologists and inspired myths and legends. 15. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan, a natural gas crater that has been burning for decades and is a surreal sight in the desert. 16. The Moeraki Boulders, New Zealand, large, spherical boulders scattered on a beach, with a mysterious origin that has inspired folklore. 17. The Marfa Lights, Texas, USA, unexplained ghost lights that appear in the desert near Marfa, Texas. 18. The Bermuda Triangle, an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared without a trace. 19. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey, an ancient archaeological site with massive stone pillars that challenge the conventional timeline of human civilization. 20. The Zone of Silence, Mexico, an area known for its strange electromagnetic anomalies and radio signal interference. 21. The Mary Celeste, a ship found adrift in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872 with no crew aboard, which remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries. 22. The Pyramids of Tikal, Guatemala. These ancient Mayan pyramids are shrouded in legends and mysteries about their construction and purpose. 23. The Mothman Prophecies, Point Pleasant, West Virginia, USA. This small town was the site of numerous sightings of a strange, winged creature known as the Mothman in the 1960s. 24. Cahokia Mounds, Illinois, USA. This ancient Native American city, with its massive earthen mounds, raises questions about its history and abandonment. 25. Chichen Itza, Mexico. The Mayan city with its famous pyramid, El Castillo, is still a source of many mysteries, including its precise use. 26. Oak Island Money Pit, Canada, an underground pit that has captured the imagination of treasure hunters for centuries, yet its contents remain hidden. 27. Devil's Tower, Wyoming, USA, a unique geological formation that has puzzled geologists and inspired myths and legends. 28. The Georgia Guidestones, a set of granite monoliths in Georgia, USA, inscribed with mysterious guidelines for a new age of reason. 29. Sacsayhuaman, Peru. The enormous stone walls of this Inca fortress still baffle archaeologists in terms of how they were constructed. 30. Coral Castle, Florida, USA, a megalithic structure built by a single man, Edward Leedskalnin, with mysterious methods. 31. Rapa Nui, Easter Island. The island's history and the disappearance of its civilization are still debated by experts. 32. Roanoke Island, North Carolina, USA. The lost colony of Roanoke remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in American history. 33. The Bermuda Triangle, an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared without a trace. 34. The Zone of Silence, Mexico, an area known for its strange electromagnetic anomalies and radio signal interference. 35. Dogon Cliffs, Mali, home to the Dogon people. This area is known for its intricate knowledge of astronomy and its association with extraterrestrial contact theories. 36. Puma Punku, Bolivia, part of the ancient city of Tiwanaku. The precisely cut stone blocks of Puma Punku continue to mystify researchers. 37. The sleeping city of Petra, Jordan, historic city carved into rose-red cliffs, known for its elaborate architecture and mysterious history. 38. Lalibela, Ethiopia, a series of rock-hewn churches in Lalibela that defy conventional explanations of their construction. 39. Aokigahara Forest, Japan. This dense forest at the base of Mount Fuji is known for its association with suicide and a sense of eerie quiet. 40. Skinwalker Ranch, Utah, USA, a location known for paranormal and UFO activity, including sightings of shape-shifting creatures. These places are steeped in history, legends, and enigmas that continue to pique the curiosity of travelers, researchers, and enthusiasts.